Hi everyone, thanks for joining today. My name is Reagan and today we are going to be going over my Ipsy bags unboxing and trying on. So if you just continue watching, you'll see how I got this look using the products in my Ipsy bag. So we're going to go ahead and get into this month's BoxyCharm box. So this is what's all in the box. The first thing we're going to pull out is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. This is a goodbye to puff and say hello to youth, restful looking eyes. So it's basically an eye depuffing gel. This retails for $42. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this under the eyes. I don't really have a whole lot of eye baggage, but that's okay. It doesn't hurt to try it. And it comes out kind of like a orange tint to it. Alright, now that we got that on, we're going to let that dry for a few minutes before we start putting on any makeup, because you can actually wear it under your makeup and that would be fine. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go into the next thing that we have in the box, which is the crown brush. This is the Fuego eyeshadow collection. So this is retails for $29.99 and this is what it looks like. It actually has a naked heat kind of vibe to it. I was looking at this the other day and I noticed that a lot of these colors resemble a lot of the Urban Decay Naked Heat colors. So I may actually do a side-by-side swatch on those so you can see. This may be kind of like a dupe for it, a little bit cheaper in value. If you're wanting to get the Naked Heat but didn't want to spend the big bucks on it, this may do you just good. So we're going to go ahead. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Kat Von D Lock-It Primer. So we're going to go in with this first color here for a transition. Alright, and then the next color we're going to go into is this one right here. We're just going to deepen up that transition. Alright, and then we're just going to deepen that up some more using this color here. Alright, and then we're going to use this color here all over the lid. Alright, and now what I'm going to do before I finish up on the underneath, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put on the rest of my makeup, and then we're going to come back and we're going to finish up under the eyes, and then we're going to discuss the rest of the stuff in the bag. So I'll be back in just a moment. Alright, so I've got the majority of my makeup on. So the next thing that we are going to go into is this right here. This is from Note Cosmetics. This is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher that retails for $11.99. And this is what the color it is. It's called Desert Rose. So we're going to go ahead and dust that on the cheeks. Let's see here. Next thing we're gonna go over is the Chella Beauty. This is an eyebrow cream. It has a built-in brush. This retails for $26. This is in the color taupe, which I'm gonna hope will work. I cannot guarantee. I usually do a little bit darker than that, but we shall see. Well, it's getting the job done. It's just a more natural looking kind of eyebrow since it's not as dark as I'm used to. The brush is a little thick for my liking. Alright, so that is the brow. What I'm gonna do before I get into the last product is I do want to go ahead and finish up under the eye quick. I'm just using those same 3 transition shades that I used previously. Alright, and then the last thing in the bag, which I was very excited to try this. This is from Wander Beauty. This is an Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara, and this retails for $24. So this is award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara that will bring your lashes to a new height. The Unlashed Mascara volumizing, lengthening, strengthening, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. It's got a lot going on for a mascara. Let me zoom you in real quick so you can see that. The difference between the 2 lashes. It's not like dramatic to me. My Benefit, which I haven't found anything that comes close to the Benefit Bad Girl mascara that I use. That is still right now my favorite mascara. Alright, so this is what we've got going on. This is using all the products in this month's box. The retail value is $133.98, so about $134 for a box that you only pay $21 for. So obviously you can tell you're definitely getting your money's worth with this box. So I highly recommend trying it out, seeing how you like it, because so far every month this year has been really great products in there, and I can't wait to see what they come up with next. So I thank you for watching. You have a great day.